great pleasure to invite you to the International Conference on Holography meets Advanced Manufacturing jointly organized by CIPHR Group, Institute of Physics, University of Tartu, Estonia, and Optical Sciences Centre, Swinburne University of Technology, Australia during 20th–22nd of February 2023. In the recent years, there has been a significant collaboration between the research areas, holography and advanced manufacturing to develop imaging systems beyond the state-of-the-art. This three-day conference dedicates the first, second and third day to holography, advanced manufacturing and product development respectively. This conference will provide a platform for exchanging ideas, interdisciplinary, international collaboration, with 3 keynote talks from 3 world-renowned researchers, several invited talks across the globe, poster presentations for students and industry-ready ideas. There are many student prizes every day to win. All accepted and presented submissions will be published in MDPI proceedings. We welcome submissions in the broad areas of holography and advanced manufacturing, which includes but not limited to digital holography, incoherent holography, computational imaging, microscopy, diffractive optics, quantitative phase imaging, structured light, tomography, optical security, cryptography, laser beam shaping, metal lenses, micro/nano fabrication, femtosecond fabrication, ohm beams, optoelectronic materials and devices, non-diffracting beams and space-time correlations and nonlinear optics. Selected submissions will be invited to the special issue on Research in Computational Optics and MDPI Photonics, IF, 2.536, with APC waiver and special discounts.